Whew. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 139 on Leetcode. 40 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Yeah, let me know what you think about this contest, these problems, and everything in between. I'm way sleepy right now. I just kind of woke up, underslept. 25 seconds to go. But yeah, this is the live contest recording. So if you're looking for an explanation, I have one for each problem. So definitely check that out on YouTube's. Yeah, 10 seconds to go. Let's go. Not awake at all. Alright, let's go. Go, go, go. Ooh, that was a little fast. My clicking MMR is very low. Alright, let's go. Just before it. Oh, indexes. What? Isn't 5? Why is 5? Oh, wait. Oh, I see. This is such a silly reading problem. I mean, I read it correctly. It's just that it's so hard to make sure because it's just such a weird problem. Okay. It's a 5-pointer. Okay. 2 hard problems today, maybe. The 5-pointer. What am I doing? Buffer switch. $550 cube. Okay, whatever. Okay, you know how to do this. You just. It's just typing. You got this. Surprised no one's gotten it. Okay, Dubious got it. It's just typing. Go, 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 go. just to find this out. Okay. Okay, so it counts the beginning one. Remember, it counts the beginning one. But count the beginning one. Yeah, would have been a bad typo. Okay, count the beginning one. True, false, true. Alright, let's go. Come on, please. Okay. Very easy to make a silly typo. Oh, people have got it already. Which one am I looking at? Okay, there are people who gotten both. Well, one of whatever. Don't have to be pedantic, just solve the problem. Read the problem first. Just woke up. Okay, nums, positive integer k. XOR. Okay. Basically, you want or half of them and then XOR the other half. 400 numbers, what does that mean? I mean, it's a hard problem, take your time. Num sub I is 2 to the 7. So what are we trying to return to any maximum value? Okay, so k. Oh, subsequence. They should define subsequence still. But I didn't even see it until I looked at the example. Two to the 7, right? Is that the trick? It's 2 to the 7 again. 128 times 200. Or something like that. It's a knapsack. Oh, k is exact, that's right. Okay, it's not variable k, that's right. Okay, maybe that means something. So okay, so that means that we want to. This is such a weird way of putting it. We just want half the numbers. Oh, okay. It's okay. K is do TP on K. What's 2 to the 7th again? Just 128. Focus on the 128. Wait, yeah. Left, right combined, right? Yeah, okay. That sounds right. Okay. Yeah, I think Alex is good at this bit. Not, Are you gonna do a bit mask or bit mask to make it faster? But okay, fine. Right. Oh, I can't do it. I'm doing this wrong. I forgot you have to do K. I forgot you have to do K. So that focus, Larry. Okay, you did it wrong. Okay, that's fine. Forgot you have to do K. Okay. What's that? 200, 200. I guess that makes it a little bit too slow. Yeah, 5 minutes on the, it's on the cusp. If this is a bit set problem, this would be very sad. Is it right though? Yeah. chef. It's not a pure chef either, is it? Is this thing? Is the other one doing any better? Roughly the same. Should be solvable. Okay, let's do it a bit at a time, bit at a time, bit at a time. What would a bit at a time do? Okay, you're trying to think too much. Let's keep it here for now, but okay. Bit at a time, bit at a time. Okay, so you have 7 bits. Right. So basically you want, can I do it a bit at a time? Because I have to choose the subsequence. Man, I'm slow today. Okay. I mean, this is just TP, right? So left. No, that's way too much, isn't it? No, because it's just, okay, no, that's fine. You know this line. So 400 square. It's way too big, really. Because it's subsequent, so everything is possible. So now that's too big. Maybe I could do this and just see if I can. Standard is just no, because you can have zeros and then ones on the other side, right? And you just solve it backwards, maybe. Okay, we want ones on the. No, you can't do it backwards because it's bit by bit, right? I don't know. I mean, I have some ideas, but. Is this one easier? Yeah, maybe slightly, but not that much. My people solved, but okay. Bit by bit, still sounds kind of funky, but. What is that? Is 400 times 200 times 128, which is 10 million. Maybe I did the math wrong. This would never work. Oh, maybe it's too slow. It's a bit by bit strategy. I can't sort because you can't. It has to be half, so the ordering matters. Is it case analysis? How do you get case analysis that quickly though? I think it's case analysis, but it's still kind of awkward. Okay, right. So that means left is left and right is right. Okay. Okay, so then now we want to see if this is possible, right? And square, so maybe that's fine. If left is 0, that means that all the numbers have to be 0. If right is 1, we can just choose all the numbers, right? Okay, fine. didn't even do the harder one yet. Nope. I have to do this loop backwards, actually. Yeah, okay, that makes more sense. There's 0, then okay, fine. The right we can keep everything because right is 1. But then there's all these combinations that we have to do. So now we keep track of the good numbers on the left. Right, we should be able to find at least 1. Is I'm doing fast enough even? Okay. Good on the left side. Maybe I just don't know how to do it. Now focus bitwise. Left has to be C. Because then you have to branch out. That's the hard part. Well, I mean, that's one hard part. I just don't know how to do it. I mean, all my ideas are kind of the same, honestly, on brute force. And the thing is that it is not a sub array, this is a subsequence. So. So this is actually pretty big. 400 times 200 times 2 to the 7. It's 10 million. 10 million is too big. How do we reduce this? I should have looked at the other problem. Alright, let's take a look real quick. That's more solutions. And it's 10 to the 5th is tricky. What is K? Oh, it has to contain this thing. Huh, that's interesting actually. Well, we can't sort it yet. But... oh wait, also we can't sort it at all. I'm just being dumb, but okay. I mean, just n-log n sorting thing, but I feel like I could do it, but I'm jumping back and forth. Alright, let's just try. Alright, so the longest thing would have been to binary search on this and then just go right. And that's the length of the thing. So then we binary search on the thing. So what I do? Because the 1D1 would be binary search, and even then I don't even know if I could do it. Oh, do we do sort it? I misread this a little bit, but okay, fine. I mean, that's easy. Let me just do longest increasing from here. And longest decreasing from the other side, right? That's not that bad, in theory. I forget how to do the thing there. I've done this farm before though. I remember doing that. I think I've done this farm like a decade ago. N square is trivial, but once we sort it, then now yeah, okay, then maybe we have something like if x is greater than c of 0. Okay, so then now we have didn't crash. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. I probably could have that's not right. Probably could have abstract this, but okay, so it's definitely wrong. So we have 1, 1, 3, so we have to be bigger than 2. This is backwards anyway, so I think the left side is wrong, but I'm overcounting, not undercounting, so. K is equal to 1, I forget that, okay, 2. So why am I doing ones? X, oh, I did the signs wrong. 4, 3, it's slightly better. But still no cigar. Right is 0. So we want something to the left. Okay, yeah. So what says K is 1, so that means that we have no, this should be no, the other one was right. It's 1, 1, 3. Oops. Okay, 1, 1, 3. Oh, I got the longest increasing thing, but we also have to do and y is greater than, yeah, that's why. Three and one, 3 is fine, 1 is not fine. I think I have to reverse this. Yeah, I think I have to reverse this. Oh. Oh, wait, this would never make sense. Three, 2, alright. YOLO submit. Oh well. I mean, I wasn't super sure, but I also running out of time to solve both, so I'm just trying something quick. The idea should be right, but maybe I'm wrong on this one. Huh. So the answer should be 2, but I get 3. So I'm just really wrong. So the index is 0, so 1, 5, 0. Why do I have 3 then? Left. Oh no, they're both right. Oh. Oh, huh. I'm not doing the type working. I think I'm mostly right, but I'm not doing the type working. How do I do this? By sorting from the other coordinates first. Okay, so on type working. Okay, fine. So we want something like this. Is that not right? What am I missing a comma on? Key is equal to lambda. Three, 2, 2. Okay, that's just like a Dota thing, I guess. 3, 2, 2. That is a silly mistake on my part, though. Okay. YOLO submit. Did I not? This is, oh, this is a different wrong answer. Okay, I am just being bad today then. I'm rushing it. Oh, this is the other side. So 7, 8. So they're both smaller, and I put 3. I know do I sorted it this way then? They're both smaller. Yeah. Well, let's double check the thing real quick on the left side. I'm just being sloppy. That should not have been 2 wrong answers. -4, -4. Oh wait, no, that's not right. That's just. No, I mean I think I'm doing right. Bisect right, right? Is it bisect left? Because if it's the same, we do the same. Okay, yeah, I was wrong on this one. Yeah, bisect left. I thought I needed the next one. I'm thinking too silly. Okay, let's regroup. Let's see. Alright, what do we want? Oh, so 2. Okay, fine. Did I put anything? The silly thing is that I had to 2 wrong answers from the same silliness is kind of bad. That's a 10-minute penalty. But okay, let's go back to this one that I don't know how to do. I'm getting tilted on 10 minutes. I knew that one, but then I just kind of got sloppy on the tiebreakers. Focus, reset. Okay. We have a left side and a right side. Are they all possible? Yeah, it only takes like 7 things to make it all possible. How am I doing? The 10 minutes kind of hurt though. Oh, this new layout again. Because there should not have gotten wrong answers on this one, but wow, people are very fast. I am not doing well then. But because I'm not even close on this one. The Q4 was so straightforward. I just didn't. Some like partitioning thing. With a 10 minutes penalty from stupidness. I'm not awake. That's my excuse. Not awake for this problem either, huh? Okay, it's Can I think of it backwards? Bit at a time. Bit at a time. Okay, I see. Maybe. I see. Maybe. I don't know. Bit at a time, right? So for that, okay, so that now. I think I played with this idea before. I don't know though. Okay, so then no, you still have to keep track, Larry. That's why. That's what you were saying. N square. No, and you still have to do. Oh no. No, that's fine. You don't have to keep track of K because you could do greedy. I see, maybe. I don't know if that's true. You can just do greedy. Okay, or you can count in constant time. Can you though? No. Can you do it a bit at a time? No, because you have to filter those things out. Okay, so let's say you have 0. No, you have to keep track of all the. You have to keep track of the previous numbers. So okay, so. Because you have to do all the combinations of all the previous ones as well. So if it was ones, then you have to keep track of all the zeros or the ones. Okay. Zeros and ones. What does 0 mean? 0 means they're all zeros. K zeros on the left. 1 means well, just any one, but you have to keep track of what the previous bit is to narrow it down. You have to branch that out. No, I keep on coming to the same ideas. Alright, let's see if we can reset. What's it? Because numbers could be on 0 on the left and 1's on the right and then alternate. Because it matters which. Also, I should have skipped this one apparently, but that's not great. The 10-minute penalty. Oh, wow, people got it in 3 minutes. I don't like this new layout, by the way. Oh, the colors, it's just so confusing to look. We got it in 5 minutes, so it must be not that bad. Well, these people are very smart people. But, what am I missing? I mean, I could improve my solution with a try, but it's still too slow. Too slow! Okay. So can we find a? It's a 1 if all these are zeros, and all these are 1s. Maybe I don't do the left. Well, how are the? Well, all these are 1s, but just at least 1 1. Right. So it's about. So what is it about, Larry? What is it all about? But you can't keep, because that's the thing, isn't it? You have to keep track of all the possibilities. Okay, let's say we have left and we have 1 bit, right? No, because you just have to match them up. Just just don't even have an idea at this point. I think that's the thing. I have half an hour left. The XO is killing me. Because min is not also min, right? Necessarily, we can't just do a greedy min. Because we might. How is this easier than the other one? How did I dig the K part? It wasn't for K. This was okay. Okay, so for the K part, we just do a left right, we do a rolling sum, and we did that already. And now we want to care about this is techno-tech. It's I mean, it's YOLO time, I think. So maybe we just do it anyway. I mean, yeah, yeah. I don't think this is going to be fast enough, but at least we'll try. How you doing, Larry? This isn't even close. So I guess technically it should be this first. What am I doing here? Okay, so then now what do we want? If this is a 0, okay, so we want to see if bit mask is, so it is, can I do it in one way? One way or another, do. Maybe not, maybe I have to do it, maybe we have to do a lookup on this. I mean, in theory, this is where you have a try, so maybe this YOLO isn't even a good idea. Maybe I didn't think this through. Maybe this wasn't gonna work anyway. I thought I could maybe count it down. Can I count it down? So let's say if this is a 1, then the rest has to be zeros. Because if there's a 1, then we XOR it, right? This is a 0 and this is a 1, then we do get a 1. And no, because you have to care about the right side, not just this one thing. So you have to keep a... I just don't know how to do it. Maybe this isn't right. I mean, there was the other way of doing it, but well, it's just too many. 128, 128. Yeah, you and that would have been a little bit tight. How do I handle the K? Alright, let's think of it. If K is equal to 1, then we just have one number here. Okay, that's not helpful. 2 to the 7 though. I think we should be able to do something with 2 to the 7. Can we do a bit set that easily either? Because it's not just shift, right? It is yeah, you can do a bit set because it's an or. Now I have 20 minutes left and I still don't know how to do it. Maybe I should have taken the time off. Oh well. Can I do the opposite? Can I just remove numbers? Because the contributor of a bit may not be the same bit. How am I doing on time anyway? Not so well, I guess. Could have done in 2 minutes though. What am I missing in 2 minutes? I don't know, but TS Reaper is pretty good and he got in 10 minutes. Scan Hex did it in 9 minutes or something, so I don't know. Maybe they have some helpful tools or something. 10 minutes. But 10, I mean, I've been way longer than 10 minutes, so Okay. Okay. Can't sort, you can't do anything. Does that look like? So let's say we want No, it's just the same old filter right now. Is there a pigeonhole thing? 128, no. And the counts matter because, oh no, they're or, so they don't. Zeros are just all of them are zeros. One is just having one number as one. So as long as we have one number, as long as we have one number in a bit, it's fine, right? So then now we could define the possibilities. Because we could always get zero. We're just trying to see if we could get ones. Is that true? Okay, you can always OR more numbers. So then now the question is, can you get 0, 1. No one care about his zeros. I don't know how that's faster though. I can prove that it is faster. It still sounds like the same thing. Yeah, I don't know how to do this one, I guess. Spent an hour on it. Q4 I did pretty quickly, even at 10 minutes of penalty because I'm dumb. But I should have sneaked ahead though. Should have at least peeked ahead, matter. I'm just gonna do greedy, why not? I don't know anymore. Maybe YOLO submit a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how to do this, so. So I'm just doing random things. This is not right. Or probably not right. I wanted just to see what happens. Okay. Yeah. It'll probably work with the inputs, but I really don't know how to do this. This cannot. Oh, whoops. Oh. This isn't even right for this. Why isn't it though? Just +1 maybe? I have no idea how to do this, honestly. And there's 5 minutes left. It should be. Oh no, this is for 1. That means that I greedy on both ways, right? I think all those are all the possibilities. Yeah. So I don't know. On a greedy way. I was hoping greedy would work because I have no idea. For one number though, what is the answer? Like, why doesn't greedy work? My answer is 115. Oh, the answer should be 122. It's 8 and 114. And 114 would not be, yeah. It would not make sense for, okay, so that, I thought it would be like a prefix suffix greedy thing. Well, I mean, I didn't really think that hard about it, but why not 8 and 123? I don't even know how that works. Oh, I see, because of this bit. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I was just hoping that greedy maybe, I don't know. Because it's the only thing I could implement in 10 minutes. Yeah. I mean, a lot of people got it. I just don't know how to do it. I feel like I'm missing an idea. I am gonna so there's 2 minutes left in the contest. I am gonna try to upsolve it. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know though. I feel like I've worked on this problem for the entire time, pretty much. Like Q4, I don't even remember what the problem is anymore. And I'm certainly not gonna type something out. I mean, the only thing that I can think about is maybe that DP that I was thinking about, but I thought it would be too slow. So maybe there is. I think there is some like pigeonhole things if you ask me, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Can we wait? Yeah, I didn't get killed, right? And I took too long to look at Q4. Good job. If it's legit, good job. The K part threw me off though. I mean, you could rephrase this, but if it's so, there's 1 minute left before. My 2 guesses are DP or case analysis. The case analysis I struggled with, so maybe I'm missing like one part of the case analysis. Yeah, and we're done with this crappy contest leaderboard UI. Did ChatGPT win? Yep, seems like it. 2 minutes, come on, man. At least, okay. Just a, no, that's not a try. That's basically what I was, Did I think this would be too slow? That's what I thought I had though. But what are they doing that I was not doing? I mean, I guess this is how I thought I would do it, but I didn't think that was fast enough. Why is that fast enough? I guess so, but let's actually. I really thought it wasn't going to be fast enough, honestly. I mean, I think I wrote down most of it too, right? So okay, let's actually upsolve this real quick. I mean, I got it from ChatGPT anyway, but I thought this wouldn't be fast enough, honestly. Because I wrote most of it, but. Yeah, so I had something like I thought this was how maybe I should have tried it. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't. Okay, so the previous is going to be equal to right sub I plus 1j. So maybe actually we should do plus 1 here, should be fine. No, j, right? And then basically you either tick or no tick, right? So right sub it's like a min of I so this should be k plus 1 anyway to get k, but n minus I plus 1 or something. So n is going to be 1. Okay, so then now this is the previous. I thought it would be too slow, honestly, but that makes this problem actually kind of sad or not hard. They chose to bounce very weirdly, honestly. Like this could have been, I don't know. Not really, unless I'm really bad on the math, which is possible. It's okay. So we do the don't tick all at once. right? So that means that maybe I missed an optimization. How is this only 2 loops? No, there's another loop. Okay, but yeah. How do I make a copy of a thing? Like I want this. Okay, so maybe I just do this then apparently. And then now for tick, right? Whatever. Is this right? I don't know if this is right. I don't think this is right. I think this is right though. And that if j is 0, why would j would be 0? Okay, so we start at 1, right? I guess it's okay to have 0 actually. I don't know. I just have trouble not thinking that this would be fast enough. That's why. I guess I should have just YOLO tried it anyway. But I need to be. I think Alex told me this before that I don't know. Leetcode is just garbage with respect to the complexity timing. Like this is because we did the math, right? It's gonna be 400 by 400 ish. 400 200 by 128 is kind of slow. But they make like if they have just made the bounce 200, this would have been so much cleaner, right? Like what is the advantage of having it 400? I don't know. It's kind of crap. Anyway, we'll test this later. Alright, and then now for the left side. Oh. Yeah, whatever. I'll just do it the same way, I guess. I'm not gonna. I was gonna split them up, but. If I is the first one. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't do it that way. Okay, fine. Let's just do it this way. I mean, this isn't even that interesting, but. Sorry, I'm just kind of getting distracted. Sorry, getting distracted because I'm hating right now. Yeah, whatever. Let's just do it this way. It doesn't really matter anyway. We'll just do oops, why did I have this as 1? That's actually pretty bad. Alright. Yeah, I mean, okay, fine. Right, and then now for n, right? We have left sub ik. I guess this is k and minus k plus 1. I mean, this is such an easy idea. I just really thought that this would be. Sorry, I'm just like a little bit annoyed about it. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is right. Maybe it's off by 1. Maybe. I don't know. Oops. See daisies. This isn't even right. I copied and paste sloppily. Okay, so this one it doesn't matter, but this one it does because no, we would n plus 1. So how did I vote this? Now 0 is going to be 1 element. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm off by 1 honestly still, but it's fine. Oh, this should be min of k. Well, I'm just annoyed because this is oh no, this should have been am I doing this wrong? Probably. I did not. I mean, I like the problem. I don't like the solution is dumb. Alright, okay, what am I doing? Why isn't this right though? Oh, this is left. Am I opening left? Well, I guess both of them should have something good. Okay. This should have more than. Oh no, 7 sounds right actually. For the right side. So. That sounds right, but this. I guess this is a poor example for the right side. I mean, maybe the bounds are not right, but. Alright, well the left side is definitely way wrong, but that's fine. J minus 1. So this should have something, right? Why is this? I'm just so tilted. Start at 1. K plus 1, I plus 1. Oh no, this should be. No, that's right. No, maybe. Okay. I think my indexing are still a little bit wrong, but I'm just so annoyed at this problem, honestly. I 0, then you have 2, then you have 1. Okay, yeah, that sounds right. I wonder if this is right, honestly. Because if I is n minus 1, I think this may needs to be 2. No. Yeah. I'm honestly, does this work? I don't know. I'm just a little bit lazy and tired right now. Okay. I mean, at least in terms of what I mean is that yeah, I don't know. Like like I'm probably off by 1, and I'm just too tired to kind of debug it. But alright, so left and the right. So K is equal to 2. So okay, why is this wrong? What am I looking at? I plus 1K. So for K is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, whoops. I think off by 1s. It still may be wrong though, but honestly it just doesn't, it's not that interesting. I don't know. I'm rushing to I'm rushing the off by 1s, that's why, honestly, but 122. What's 122? Well, I mean, I definitely, my answers are really weird. K is equal to 1. Yeah, all these sets should be zeros, I think. Yeah, okay, yeah. That's not an off by 1. I mean, it is an off by 1, but it's also me being dumb. It's here too. I thought I might have needed to write that, but I was lazy. And I thought maybe I was wrong that I don't need it. Right now I'm just being tired. I had the solution, right? I just didn't think it would be fast enough. Like what is the running time if this is just equal to, I don't know, what is it? Random dot rand int. Oops. Okay. 400. K is equal to 200, right? Something like this. What's the running time here? Oh, whoops. I don't know. See, like, that's not even that fast, right? So, like, 10 of these things would have been, like, you know, would have been too slow. I don't know. I think this is kind of crap, but it is what it is. It's not even that hard. It's just that it is, maybe I should have written it. I don't know. I mean, it's just a Leetcode thing, right? Because why did I not do this? Because basically, n is equal to 400, k is equal to 200. Each one of these loops can be 128, wish, right? So maybe D for domain for 128, right? So that is 400 times 200 times 128. This is 10 million, right? So, like, I don't know, maybe sets are so fast, I don't know. Yeah, because every previous could be 128-ish. I mean, I guess a lot of them are not possible, but all you need is 7 numbers for all 128 to be possible, so I don't know. And then here, this side is going to be n times k, which is slightly slower, but that's still a big number. I think this is a bullcrap problem, because I think if they had just made this like 150, like, it doesn't change the answer, but what is that? 100 times 50, 100 times 50 times 50. But it makes it like, you know, I don't know why they did this way to like what are you trying to do here, right? Like, this is just, I mean, Alex actually said this. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This is just such a crappy problem as a result. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I guess I should have YOLO'd this just to get it AC, but I don't feel that bad about it because I mean I have it on video. You saw that I got it in like, I mean I had this idea almost immediately, and then I had this idea immediately, but then I forgot about the K, and then when I add the K, I did the math and I thought it'd be pretty tight, but this is stupid. It's just mind reading, guessing. I don't know. And the only people who, I mean, I'm sure some people, like the top people, they probably just YOLO'd a little bit and got it right. But and then you also benefit people who YOLO'd and either cheat or just really YOLO'd, right? Like they did complexity wrong. So I don't know. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's what I have for this contest because it's a junk contest. Like I don't even like I don't know. That's all I have for today. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.